Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your digital wallet setup with American Express, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the American Express website. Log into your American Express account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile section. Click on the Digital Wallets option. You will see various digital wallet options available for linking. Choose the digital wallet you wish to verify, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the verification process. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Retrieve the code from your messages. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the website. Confirm your entry by clicking the Verify button. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful setup. Open your digital wallet application on your mobile device. Access the Settings or Payment Methods area within the app. Ensure that your American Express card is now listed as a payment method. If it's not listed, choose the option to add a new card. Enter your American Express card details as prompted. Follow any additional verification steps if required by the app. After completing these steps, your digital wallet will be fully set up with American Express. You can now use it for secure transactions both online and in stores. Keep your wallet updated and review transactions regularly for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.